Hi there. Are you struggling to create compelling B2B copy that drives conversions? In this video, we're going to share some tips to help you create copy that resonates with your audience and motivates them to take action. First and foremost, you need to understand your target audience. Who are they? What are their pain points and challenges? What motivates them to take action? The more you know about your audience, the better you'll be able to craft copy that speaks directly to them. Next, focus on the benefits, not just the features. Instead of just listing the features of your product or service, highlight the benefits that your audience will receive. For example, if you're selling a project management tool, don't just talk about its scheduling capabilities. Talk about how it can save your audience time and help them stay organized. It's also important to make your copy easy to read and understand. Use short sentences, bullet points, and subheadings to break up the text and make it easier to digest. And don't forget to use clear and concise language. Another tip is to use social proof. Showcasing testimonials, case studies, and customer success stories can help build trust and credibility with your audience. Lastly, don't forget to include a clear call to action. Whether it's to sign up for a free trial, schedule a demo, or simply learn more, make sure your audience knows exactly what action you want them to take. By following these tips, you can create compelling B2B copy that drives conversions and helps you achieve your business goals. Thanks for watching.